Very good afternoon to all our friends and colleagues. It is so nice and wonderful to speak to you again. And today I am going to be speaking to you about the issues which I had taken up earlier. I hope you would have been able to get my earlier video recording where I had sent you a message. We know that many of you do definitely deserve the awards and accolades. But I told very clearly that we would like to associate ourselves with the organizations who are actually forward looking and trying to solve the major problems that are being confronted by us in construction industry. You are all aware time and cost overruns, lack of skills, and even the shortage of field staff, the field engineers that you have there. These are the major issues that you have. Then, of course, there are other issues like disputes, like wrong planning, and several other things. Today, I am going to be dwelling upon the weakest point, and that is the human resource. And human resource, as you know very well, we are focusing on two ends. The first one is our workers have to be skill certified. That means that they should be in a position to deliver you the kind of quality, the productivity. They should be aware about environmental, health, and safety aspects, and they should also be knowing a good amount of their trade, and they should have a willingness to further progress in their life. The second weak point that you have connected with it, that we don't have enough field staff. Even the engineers we have, they are more or less like theoretical engineers. I had already been telling you that majority of the engineering colleges and institutions, they are no more producing engineers who have any kind of work knowledge, and they have absolutely no clue as to how exactly they are going to be executing the projects. And they are given the charge and responsibility of supervising the works, which is basically leading to lots and lots of problems that you have. Now we have gone ahead with it. As I told you last time, more than 1,000 applications have been received, and our directors, as well as other several experts, they are moving throughout the country and even outside the country because there are a number of international projects also that we are appraising at this moment for Vishwakarma Award. We are going ahead, and we are also now making it sure that these reform steps are taken by each one of you. This is my personal recommendation to you that immediately, without delay, start focusing on four verticals. Number one, let there be testing and certification camps which should be organized at your sites for all the workers. Your workers, they are basically engaged through the labor contractors, subcontractors, but ultimately their delivery is something that is impacting you. So that is the first part. The second part is that those workers who have done their 12th class and who have to be groomed as field engineers, they would be admitted in your Bachelor of Vocation program, which we have been talking. Let me tell you, more than 1,500 boys and girls are basically pursuing Bachelor of Vocation program, as several universities are in our network, and we are basically working very seriously to make sure that few more thousand students come in, and all of you will have to basically contribute and join hands in this noble initiative. CIDC is your council, and it has always been concerned about the kind of problems that are being faced by Indian construction industry, and we are now looking forward to even go international. There are a number of other countries where we have made reciprocal arrangements, and for that purpose, we are also looking at the existing engineers that you have. They should basically be registered with the National Register of Professional Engineers of Engineering Council of India. Please take these actions. You may be aware that every weekend we are running the CPD programs, which are absolutely free of cost, but this basically enhances the knowledge, and my office is going to be sharing with you the calendar. Please ensure that they spend an hour, hour and a half on the weekends to learn a few things. That is the next thing that I have to tell you. The last thing I have to say, and which is very important, I told you last time that I was with JICA in Tokyo, and the major concern is that the safety issues, the quality issues are not being taken care of. We have been talking to them and we assured them that we are going to make many improvements very soon, and believe you me, you are all going to be my partners. So please conduct safety audits, quality audits, and environmental audits at your project sites. These are basically the kind of good things that you will be doing, good practices you will be adopting. Not that this is going to be something to be speaking about, but it has to now percolate to real practice. Because at the end of the day, when we say here is an excellent organization, then they have to be worthy of that excellence. So that's my appeal to you. We are commencing this particular program of Bachelor of Vocation starting March 2026. Therefore, my appeal to you is start with the first step. Enroll the candidates, the workers, the supervisors who do not have the qualifications. They should basically be enrolled with us before 20th of February. We are soon going to have the meeting of jury, and I would like to basically go there and very proudly claim that yes, you are an organization who is a forward looking organization, and you are basically willing to be partner in conducting the exams. I'm reiterating the kind of problem that we have. We need almost 12.5 crore persons if we have to accomplish the task. There is so much of infrastructure work that is being done. And as I told you earlier, the total number that is available to us is hardly one fifth or one sixth. So, how on earth are we going to meet our targets? How are we going to justify the huge investments that are being made? And as construction companies or as project owners, we personally feel that we all need to take these remedial measures. With that, I thank all of you. I'll be conversing with you. Physically, I may not be able to come and meet you, not all of you, but my message will reach. Please circulate it widely. Let all the engineers also listen to this. This is going to be doing good to you. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. Jai Hind.